Students, welcome back to my channel. So here in this video we'll solve this multiple integration example, so that is asked in the previous VTU examination. So the question is that here they are given a double integral. So first integral running from 0 to 3, and the second one integral running from 0 to under root 4 minus y. So we have to integrate this one. So here by changing the order of integration means here we have to change the order of integration, so then you have to evaluate this one. So let's see the solution. So first write the given integral as I is equals to 0 to 3. So second one is 0 to under root 4 minus y, so x plus y, so into dx, so dy. So first we have to identify the limits here. So here second integral sign has the limit 0 to under root 4 minus y, means second integral limits are in terms of y, means definitely they are limits of x. So here the upper limit of the second integral is in terms of y, means second integral limits are limits of x definitely. So then 0 to 3 are the limits of y. So limits are x is running from 0 to under root 4 minus y, and y is running from 0 to 3. So 0 to 3. So now, so let's see the graphs of these two curves. So that is, first one is x is running from 0 to under root 4 minus y. So what is the graph of this one? To identify the graph of this one, let's square on both sides. So squaring on both sides, what we will get? X square is equals to 4 minus y. Now take this y to this side and x square to this side. So this becomes y is equals to 4 minus x square. So here in this second limit, so we got y is equals to 4 minus x square. What is the graph of this one? This is a opening down parabola. So this is the opening down parabola, because the coefficient of x square is negative here, so that it is a opening down parabola. So let's see the graph. So let's see the graph. So the graphs are given by, so x is running from 0 to this one. What is this one? Y is equals to 4 minus x square. So what is x is equal to 0 is? What is the x is equal to 0 equation is? X is equal to 0 means that is the y axis. So the equation of y axis is x is equal to 0 itself. Then y is equals to 4 minus x square. Y is equals to 4 minus x square means this is what the, so if you consider this one as 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the opening down parabola, and the vertex of this parabola is at 0, 4. Sorry, 0, 4. So that is the graph of that parabola is somewhat like this. This is what the graph of that parabola. So this y is equals to 4 minus x square, or x is equals to under root 4 minus y. This is what the graph of this one. So similarly, consider the graph of y is equals to 0 to 3. What is y is equals to 0 is? So x axis is itself. So that is y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 3 means this one. This is what the line y is equals to 3. This y is equals to 0. This is what y is equals to 3 is. So here we have to integrate this x plus y. So in the area of the region bounded by these two curves, these two limits. So here consider the limits now. So y is running from 0 to 3. So this is y is equals to 0. This is y is equals to 3. And x is running from 0. X is 0 is this one. Then x is running from 0 to this one. So this is what the area is. So this is what the area. So we have to integrate along this area. We have to integrate this one along this area. So now let's draw the graph separately. So one more time, let's draw the graph. So that is, so this is y is equals to 3. This is y is equals to 0. X is equals to 0. And this one is x is equals to under root. What is that? Under root 4 minus y. So that is, this is what the area we need to consider. So now, so here in the given integral they mention that dx into dy means, according to the question we have to, means the strip is with respect to x axis, that is dx means the strip is drawn with respect to x axis. With respect to x axis means the strip drawn horizontally. So by changing the order of integration, if we change the order of integration, so we have to consider a vertical strip like this. So 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 but the problem is that, so here we have two areas, means from this x is equal to 0 to this one, x is equal to 0 to this one, so there is a one region. So then from this to this there is a another region. Is it clear, students? Means so we have to consider this total area, but the problem is that this is not completely symmetric curve. So therefore we have to consider this, means we have to divide this region into two parts. So from this x is equal to 0 to this line, then from this line to this point. Is it clear, students? Now find the point. So this is x is equal to 0. So here what is this point is? What is this point of intersection? So here y is equals to, so this line y is equals to 3 means, so here we have x is equals to under root 4 minus y. So y is equals to 3. So x becomes under root 4 minus 3, that is 1. So this point is 1 comma 3. This point is 1 comma 3. So means this is x is equal to 3 line. This one is x is equals to 3 line. Okay, students. Now then consider a horizontal strip from x is equals to 3 to this point. What is this point is? This point, how to find this point of intersection? Here this point lies on x axis, means y must be 0 here. So y must be 0 means, so substitute y is equals to 0 here. So x is equals to 4 minus 0, that is 4. X is equals to plus minus 2. So again in the first quadrant, so x must be positive only. So you should not consider the negative 2. So therefore this point is 2 comma 0. So this point of intersection is 2 comma 0. So therefore the given integral split into two region. The first one is I1 plus I2. So now find the limits. So I is equals to the first region. Consider this one as a first region. So find the limits here. First find the y limits. So y is running from, so what is the what is that? The bottom point of the y. So means the strip lies on x axis, means y is running from 0 to, what is the upper, means the upper point, that is y is equals to 3. Y is running from 0 to 3, and x is running from, x means strip, move this strip to left hand point. So x is running from 0. At this point x value is 1. So again, so what is the curve here? So we have to integrate x plus y. So into, so here we have to integrate first with respect to y, so phi, then with respect to x. So this is what the first region integral is. So next similarly consider this integral. So here, so again, so here again consider x is, so x is running from, so left hand point of the strip, that is if you consider, if you move this strip to the left hand point, so that becomes on x is equals to 1 line, means x is running from 1. If you move this strip to the right hand point, so that becomes x is equals to 2, means x is running from 1 to 2. Then y is running from, so the bottom point of the y value is, means the strip lies on again x axis, means y is running from 0, means upper point, that is upper point of this strip lies on this curve. What is this curve is? X is equals to 4 minus y. So from this one, so find y. So what is the y value from here? Y is equals to 4 minus x square. So that is 4 minus x square. So inside x plus y into dy dx. Is it clear, students? So these are the limits of this integral. Means we divided the given integral into two regions. So the limits are of which are given by y is equal to 0 to 3 and x is equal to 0 to 1. In the second region, x is running from 1 to 2, then y is running from 0 to 4 minus x square. Now integrate this one. So here all the limits are constant here. You can integrate first with respect to x or y. Is it clear, student? So first integrate with respect to y. So what is integral of x is? So keep the y as it is. Y is running from 0 to 3. Otherwise integrate with respect to x then. So means first integrate with respect to x. X integration become x square by 2. So y into 1 integration is x. So within the limits, what are the limits of x here? 0 to 1 into dy then. So plus here. So here we have y limits in terms of x, means we have to integrate first with respect to y only, because we have changed the order of integration here. Means x is equals to 1 to 2 as it is. Integrate with respect to y first. Integration of x is xy plus y is y square by 2. So then within the limits, what are the limits of y here? 0 to 4 minus x square into dx then. So now, so this one. So this one is as it is. So y is running from 0 to 3. Substitute the upper limit. In place of x, substitute the upper limit of x value. What is the value of x here? Upper limit of x. So that is 1 by 2 plus y into 1 minus. Again, if you substitute x is equal to 0, this complete term becomes 0. So therefore 0 into dy. So plus 1 plus this one is as it is again. X is running from 1 to 2. So again substitute y is equals to upper limit. What is the upper limit here? 4 minus x square. That is 4 minus x square plus again substitute here 4 minus x square whole raised to 2 divided by 2. Again if you substitute y is equals to 0, that is lower limit, the complete term becomes 0 minus 0 only. So that is, so whole with respect to dx. Is it clear, students? So last step. So next, so integrate this one. So integrate this one with respect to y. So 1 by 2 integration becomes 1 by 2 y plus y integration becomes y square by 2. So within the limits 0 to 3 plus. So now either you can simplify this one. So first simplify the expression. X is running from 1 to 2. So 4x minus x cube. So 1 by 2 common. So integrate, evaluate this one. Means expand this. So 4 square is 16 plus x raised to 4 minus 8 x square dx. So last with respect to x. Is it clear, students, up to here? So now students, so lastly simplify the terms. So substitute the, what is the upper limit here? So we have y is running from 0 to 3. Substitute y is equals to 3. That is upper limit. So what you will get? So 1 by, that is 3 by 2 plus 9 3 square. That is 2 by 2. Sorry, 3 square by 2 minus, if you substitute lower limit, that is 0 itself plus. So here integrate this one. So integrate. So here what we have to integrate? So 4x. Then means integrate this complete term with respect to x only. So what we will get? So 4x. So what is the integration of x is x square by 2 minus x cube integration is x raised to 4 by 4. So 1 by 2 as it is, 16 integration is 16x. Then plus x raised to 4 integration is x raised to 5 by 5 minus 8 x cube by x square integration is x cube by 3. So that is within the limits, means second value is running from within the limits. What are the limits of x here? 1 to 2. So that is, simplify this. So this one is, so 9 by 2 plus 3 by 2, that is 12 by 2, that is 6 plus this is 2x square minus x raised to 4 by 4 plus 8x plus x raised to 5 by 10. Multiply 1 by 2 to inside terms. So that is minus 4 by 3 x cube. So within the limits 1 to 2. So then simplify this one. Means first substitute the upper limit value x, that is 2. Upper limit value of x is 2. So 2 times 2 square minus 2 raised to 4 by 4 plus 8 times 2 plus 2 raised to 5 by 10 minus 4 by 3 2 cube. So now substitute x is equals to 1, that is lower limit. So 2 times 1 square, so minus 1 raised to 4 by 4 plus 8 times 1 plus 1 raised to 5 by 10 minus 4 by 3 1 cube. Is it clear, student? So complete the bracket. So then close the bracket. So just simplify this expression, you will get the answer. So 2 square is 4, 2s are 8 minus 2 raised to 4, 16 by 4 is 4 plus 8 2s are 16 plus 2 raised to 5 is 32. 32 divided by 10, that is 16 by 5. 16 by 5 minus 2 cube is 8. 8 4s are 32 by 3 minus here. So here 2, this one is minus 1 by 4 plus 8 plus 1 by 10 minus 4 by 3. So just simply so add and subtract the terms. So 16 plus 8, 24 minus 4, 20. So 20 plus 16, take the LCM here. So 16 3s are 48, 32 5s are 160. So divided by, so 5 3s are 15. So minus here 8 plus 2, 10. So 10. So add and subtract the fractions. So this is 1 by 10 minus 1 by 4 minus 4 by 3. So that is 6 plus this becomes 20. So this becomes, I think, minus. This is minus. So that is minus 1 0 1 1 2. 1 1 2 divided by 15 minus this becomes so 10. So what is the LCM of 10? 4, 3. So LCM is, so you can consider as 60. So you can consider 60. Yes, obviously 60. So 60. So 6 minus 15 minus 20. So 24s are 80. Is it clear, student? So just there is a simple calculation. So 20 minus 112 divided by 15 minus this becomes 10. So 6 minus 15 minus 9 minus 80 minus 89 divided by 60. Is it clear, student? So 6 plus 20. So 26 minus 10. 26 minus 10 is 16 minus 112 divided by 15 minus 89 by 60. So just simplify this expression. So minus, so 15 and 60, LCM is 60. So multiply 4 here. So 448 minus 89 divided by 60. So this becomes 16 minus what is the value of this one? So 538, 537 divided by 16. If you cancel from 3, so 16 minus 3 ones are 3 7 9. So divided by 20. So this is what the answer is. So 320 minus 179 divided by 20. So lastly calculate the value. So after calculating this one, you will get, so this becomes 141 divided by 20. So this is what the last answer is. Thank you.